So that in as much as you are doing it well, more people who also want good materials will keep coming to you, and that is why I get more people coming to me, and then the brand keeps going. That's why I have a little over 1 million right now, because I love it.
But did you ever see yourself getting here? Like, because most of us started, as I said, passion, but at a point in time, the passion was quenched with whatever scenario or whatever incident happened. Did you ever see yourself consistently coming this far?
You see, one thing about me that I always tell people that when I say they shouldn't learn from me is I don't plan. I just move. No. I just move along with the wind. Yeah. So I'm just doing what I can do. So if I get to this bottle and I have to cross it, I'll find a way of crossing it. Then I move on. So I'll keep going inside. Like the studio I'm doing, as I'm doing studio, I'm also doing other projects. So if tomorrow I got some million I've not planned to be here. So as soon as the money come, no, right now, maybe I see when I check my mobile money, I had 3,000. I sent it to my guy now, always studio, so I'm fine yet. So mobile money account, so if something happens, as soon as another one comes, I'll send it.
So when you say studio, you're talking about musical, both musical.
No. I do more of videos. So video studio, which will have like four different sets. For 4 different activities. Because we've done it all by ourselves, and we are here. Now I also want to help people. Charlie, money not data system.
That's true.
So if I open a studio, at least I'll get camera guys, I'll get editors, I'll take photographers who will do photo shoots, I'll get people who are most better graphic works. Every day I'm a secretary. So at least my employer for Kakra at it will send me bed and so. I can make quite young, I don't have any problem because you know me, I can interview anybody anywhere. Anywhere, in my car booth anywhere. But it is not just me.
You want to go more than that.
So that big brands can also come on board. The more you expand, the more you become bigger, the more you also invest elsewhere and employ more people elsewhere. So now the dream is not just about even the blogging. We want to go more beyond blogging. I always say right now I am Zionfelix. You have 1 million followers. When we started, it wasn't Zionfelix. And the blogging wasn't like this. Now blogging has become something almost everybody's coming inside. So 5-10 years, if you're not Zionfelix, you have Amwadin Krana, now with me what else will you be doing? So that is what we are doing right now as Kanebano. Then we are investing in things and then media. Now maybe I tell you blogging I won't stop, but I will be actively blogging. People will be doing it for me, then we'll be focusing on other things like how come Despite started with cassettes and now he's into real estate.
Talking to the man Zionfelix, and I'm sure the name sounds, you've seen it, you've seen his videos, you've seen a lot of stuff. You can easily, get a story anyway. Just Google his name up and a chunk of stories comes up. WhatsApp line is 0500,000 202. 0500,000 202. I've already received a lot of questions in relation to what I have to ask him. But moving on, you can also send yours and ask him any other question. This is time for you to interview the interviewee or interviewer. Zion. Now, you told us about your struggles and your stories and how far you've come. Was there any point in time that you felt like, as you said, it's passion, but this blow is too much for me?
No.
So
I've never thought of quitting before.
You've never had that
because
feeling before.
When I was going to Lagos, the question that I asked myself was, after Lagos, what job? Because I don't know what I would do.
That's true.
I've always wanted to be on TV radio, and then that thing, you have to know somebody, you have to start from there. But
I've always loved to be on TV and radio.
As I said, I wanted to be like Chris Atto. Chris was on TV, he was doing rhythms, something.
Yeah, rhythms.
And he was also an actor. True. So I've always wanted to be on TV radio. To me, maybe Lagos, the course I chose, when I was coming in, I was hearing P science. And then Lagos was a combination. So the political science comes with other options. So I saw the P science, I chose, and then the other things came up. So I went to Lagos because I wanted to come to Lagos, not because after school, I want to use the set to do something. Nobody should follow me, Pacho. It is me. Maybe I'm in a mind, I favor me. Maybe I'll call him more. So the Lagos that I came, when I was coming, I thought after school one next. So I don't have anything that after blogging, I'll go and do. So it has been blogging. I feel maybe as kind of banana, they venture into other projects. Say it will also help us. But now I give anyone say, I wanted to do this internet and let me stop. And they go and do other things because people have graduated. Also, be blogging maybe small. And I can say savings or starting also a boy from the beginning. Because when I left OMG, Now my Zionfelix kakra. It's now at least we could get something to do our small things. Yeah, and because we had a passion for it now.
Yeah.
I don't say because not everywhere we could any event be near Zionfelix. Then cramp no. So it is not just now. Even then, the Ghana Miss Nigers, the VGMs, the Miss Ghana. I've been with Miss Ghana for like 5-6 years now. It's nearly started. I've been with Oyma Messi for 5-6 years now. Bolari Empire Entertainment. I've been with them for so long. Many VGMs I hear so many times. How Influence were the first people to take me to I think Dubai. That was like 3 years ago. So and then
you've been doing this for a long
9 years.
Long time. But last time I saw a video of you, I think you wanted to clarify something. People saying Zion is too low or Zion is too. What is the perception people have about you? Like you've heard about like Charlie, this one there. What is the feeling that you get as people talk about you?
Yeah. When people tell them don't know me. Oh no, such people they don't know me. They just see you on the ground. They just see you online. They think that because you have the following, automatically you are like that. But that is not how it is. Obi a friend catch me says, "I get people so fraud for Ejuma." But also, as what they say, I Zion too no. I'm like, come on. I'm not. If you want us to work, not even any call on my phone.
Yeah.
On my phone, Obi over from Bia, I pick. If I don't pick, that means I am doing something. I'll call you back because my name will catch me. I don't know where my next 1 city is coming from. I don't know where my next blessing is coming from. So if I don't pick my call, maybe I will not share President Akufo-Addo. Like I did then. The first staff has called me.
Yeah, I was about to ask
that's,
that one.
Funny saying, meet the press.
Yeah.
In fact, man, pick here. How would I know say a flag staff? It is a big deal.
Yeah.
To be among the people of Mampenny for say brand name meet the press. It is not Mampenny.
Yeah.
The whole country of Mampenny.
It's a very, very big deal.
In fact, man, pick here a unknown number. Yeah. How would I be able to go to meet the press with the president? So me, every call that comes on my phone, and to be like I'm arrogant, let me pick every call. No.
So you're not.
Zion
says it's not arrogant. Zion says I love Zion. He's doing really great. Says baby. Okay. He's trying to say Nana Kwesi tell him his window blinds for his house is still pending. And
that guy, you have been searching for you, sir. I've been checking my WhatsApp. I can't find you. So WhatsApp me, let's talk.
Okay, so that but in media, you know what I mean, like in Ghana, bloggers, most of our teas come after bloggers. Yeah, like there's bloggers. You've had your own personal attacks. You have read a lot of stories with your own personal attacks. How is the feeling of, let's say, you doing a story and having a backlash afterwards?
It depends on the kind of story and depends on the backlash coming. If I did a mistake, then that one day I regret. Because nobody intentionally puts out false publication.
Yeah.
But if the story is true, I did no mistake, and you decide to insult, that is your own cup of tea. I mean, I've done my job as a journalist. I have to put out factual information. So, una won't mean containing that factual information. And then that thing that you don't like, somebody else likes it. See, every day I say, I've interviewed almost everybody. Name everybody above Akasa.
All those.
My name is Bakasa. Into permit but not person. Go and watch the interview. I've written about almost everybody in this country. So if you think this story about Kelvin Boy, you're a Stone Boy fan, now on par, but so skip it. Shut all the story, go and read it. So I not because of you, it's me report about Kelvin Boy. Not because of you, I report about Shatawali. Not because of you, I report about Stone Boy. No. I am doing my job as a celebrity and lifestyle blogger. My job is to report about entertainers. To go and say, then as funny face, Eddie Lewin and tell me who posted. I'm like, did I lie? Did I force him to do the video? No. And then my job is to work around them. Until the one can have to report. If funny face says it, I have to report it as it is. So if I don't do it, then it's not going to So me, I say, if you want me to stop this job, give me 80,000 to the salary. I'll stop and come and do your job for you.
Wait.
80,000.
If 80,000 salary, you're not talking about like let's say
salary
one time. Talking about consistently.
Monthly. 80,000.
Give me 80,000
Ghana cedis.
80,000 Ghana cedis, and you stop blogging.
Yeah.
Wow. Zionfelix in the big seat. If you have any question for him, this one says he's higher than that. Ask him how does he consistently keep his stories updated from all the artists? Does he have all their contacts? You have everybody's contacts. But it seems like everybody you break every news.
we hear things, and then mostly they also invite us.
It looks like these days everybody wants you to tell their story.
Because we are doing a good job. The way I am now, maybe most people don't know. So I always want my job to work for, like call other people for me.
Yeah.
So I'll never go to somebody say yeah juma. And yes I'm a chairman, but I'm Friday. My boss say na say yeah juma. Nah. I always want my works. So if I'm doing this thing right today, if I'm doing in school and I'll make sure that I'll do the promotion for it well. So that it will attract my next client. That is what I've always been doing. I always make sure say I do when I'm here. Like a short interview I'm here. I make sure say with the room, so that next time other people will call me. Almost every artist I've worked with, I'm not friend. Not that I'm bragging, but me fire there. Means must say
yes.
When I was over, because when me worth, you appreciate what I can also do to help a brand. I mean, I didn't work here before.
Yes,
Class media group.
Sure.
Because Ahmed was my producer. Now me need my time. Because I'm the one behind the microphone. Need my time. No, to one or different. So I mean, I money there. And then when I was working here, I was also running my blog. And I wasn't even just doing the drive. Now me Sabbath Sunday, I the musho no. I start being concerned. I also be at Radio Universe. I also be at Angel TV. You see, it's
so you put in the work.
Yeah, a passion, no.
Yeah.
But because I don't remember Class FM. Now me say no, I just love it. Yeah.
There's a passion for it. Another question says, what made you lead from the rest? What made you like lead from? I guess he's trying to ask in terms of other bloggers in Ghana.
Yeah.
What made you lead?
I think one passionate can, and I mean, if you come online, I am everywhere. When it comes to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, website, I did there. Some of them are very loud on just Instagram. Some of them are very huge on just websites. Some of them are just huge only on YouTube. But me no, because this thing I'll keep saying it because it is passionate. I am everywhere. I take my social media platform seriously. The YouTube too, I drive it so well. Website, I make sure that it is always updated. So everywhere I know you have your following.
Yeah.
Everywhere I following, omunya be kabuma. Me Instagram every hour I have to post something. YouTube every day.
You have to post on something.
Every day a content has to go. So I'm just thinking of content. You know me, I think I know can be. I am loud everywhere. On all the websites also no Charlie.
Everywhere.
Every day.
Now this was I love Zionfelix. He has been doing a great job for us. Say, I asked him, has he been personally threatened before by an artist, and who was that? Because sometimes we see certain videos of people mentioning his name live. Have you ever been threatened by an artist before? Like verbally?
No threatening like Obikun or anything like court.
Yeah, who was it?
Police guy, this guy. Rough and smooth. Before we became friends, that even made us become friends. Those days, now more Orange Ghana, no. This guy. The whole sport was Pentex, no. In Shaba Kojo.
Yeah.
He organized a show at Obwase, and then according to Shaba, he paid them to come perform. They never showed up.
Oh.
So we are reported on OMG Ghana and Po. Now I confuse some with Omega. They take you to police station. That time I was in Kumasi. Me and them Kumasi Waka, come take him to police station. And then you know how bullets gets angry quickly. Yeah. So we both then later we became friends. On Radio Universe for interview and now promotion and those things. And then I think when his wife allegedly went to his album launch, almost they said they were going to call I mean most of the threatening court issues, but not say me bold and then I don't get those things for people. I hear that the fan base people they keep saying things, but I mean I don't see those things. But I know say I know it is part of showbiz and I understand it.
Okay. Now more questions coming in. You can equally send in your questions. Conversation with Zionfelix. I call him the 1 million man. He's an only blogger. Yeah, with the 1 million followers on Instagram. Moving on will be more music. He's also a presenter. Let me ask him. Top 3 artists, favorite artists.
Maybe the usual people now more.
Okay.
We might listen to different.
Okay, let's say there are songs. Top 3 songs that you currently.
Top 3 songs. Yeah. Bonia for coming guitar. O be forward.
O be forward.
Yeah. From here.
From here, which one?
Nothing I get.
Nothing I get. So we'll be diving into those songs in a couple of minutes. Make sure you keep sending in.
Over play Bonnie for me. Who guitar in you know? The woman I'm one.
Okay, more questions coming up. But let's enjoy this one. Family with Nothing I Get.